Go on.
Alright, this is me, Paintball guys. About to show you my guns. Alright. Yep. This one's jammed. Let's see if this will work. See, it's like you unclip it here, right, and then you just put it in like this, fire it back, it hurts. Now, let me show you. Alright, now this is my paintball gun. It's kind of jammed, I think, or we're out of air. Can't fire it yet. Just pull it back like this, and then you just fire it, and it'll just shoot and hurt really bad. There's probably one over there, and then this is my dad's. The one will work, and basically will never get jammed. See, like that, and then you just go. And sometimes, like what happened to this gun right here, I shot it inside and a paintball popped another paintball inside the gun. The paintball got deflated and then we're just out of air, I think, and it works too. You know, so that's it. Comment and subscribe.